If you're searching for professional garage door opener repair in Jessup, MD, Neighborhood Garage Door Repair of Columbia provides reliable opener repair services designed to restore safe, smooth, and dependable garage door operation. Common signs of garage door opener problems include a door that won't respond to the remote or wall button, reverses unexpectedly, stops halfway, makes grinding or clicking noises, or opens and closes inconsistently. At Neighborhood Garage Door Repair of Columbia, experienced technicians perform a complete inspection of both the opener and the entire garage door system. They carefully examine the motor, drive mechanism, safety sensors, remotes, wall controls, springs, rollers, tracks, and hardware to accurately diagnose the problem. Using quality replacement parts and professional equipment, they help restore dependable and safe garage door operation. Serving homeowners and businesses throughout Jessup, MD, Neighborhood Garage Door Repair of Columbia provides professional garage door opener repair services for residential and commercial garage doors. Whether your opener has stopped working completely, operates intermittently, or simply isn't performing as it should, professional repair can help restore convenience, security, and reliable everyday access to your garage. If you're looking for trusted garage door opener repair in Jessup, MD, contact Neighborhood Garage Door Repair of Columbia today.